What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with another banger for you guys. I am back with some more bullish content, and in this video we're going to be diving deep into Tonic price predictions and what we could expect Tonic's price to be in the future. I found an amazing article that we're going to go through one step at a time, and we're also going to go through the rest of the community investors in Tonic and see what any interesting news, any updates we have on the project, guys, in this video. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers. Right now we're at 1,680. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers, and please be sure to check out my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts. Both are doing very well, so I thank you guys so much for the continued support. If we take a look at Tonic right now, you'll see it's down 8%. Now I'm gonna get into why Tonic is moving down a bit, and most of you would already know why Tonic is moving down if you take a look at the broader markets. Sitting at $22.3 million in market cap, volume through the absolute sky right now on Tonic, $1.7 million in volume. That is super bullish, right? That is absolutely insane, and you love to see that type of volume. The volume is increasing for Tonic right now, so there's a lot of interaction with Tonic. There's a lot of people that are taking interest in Tonic as these days go by. 30,235 people that have Tonic on their watch list, and that just keeps growing. Now if we take a look at the 7-day for Tonic, as you guys can see, we were making this move up, and then we started to have this correction. We had a retrace. Like I say in all of my videos, it's better to DCA, dollar cost average, into projects like Tonic that you're bullish on, because you guys see we started off around less than 10 million market cap. Now we're at $22 million in market cap. Even with these short-term corrections, it will still continue up further in the future, unless we get some type of black swan that tanks the markets one more time. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, but I really do believe we're in the start of a bull trend, a bull run for Tonic. If we take a look at Tonic right now, the reason why Tonic is on this retrace, let's compare it to the top dog right now. As you guys can see, the top dog decided to retrace back down, and you guys can see right here, Tonic is literally like meticulously following Bitcoin and its moves. A few people in the comment section wanted to debate me on that and say no, Tonic doesn't follow Bitcoin, but majority of altcoins with great fundamentals follow Bitcoin and Ethereum. So right now, as you guys can see, look at the charts and just how similar they are. Bitcoin had a move up, so did Tonic. Tonic is moving up with Bitcoin sideways, moving up. Bitcoin fell off, Tonic fell off too. You see that? It's literally identical, right? Now Tonic is an alt, so Tonic as an altcoin will drop much further when Bitcoin drops, but as you guys can see, it's pretty much sideways to Bitcoin right now. Now, like I said, as an alt, Tonic will outperform Bitcoin in its bullish trends. When Bitcoin is going to new all-time highs, Tonic will outperform and go absolutely bonkers, right? Especially if we have any future catalysts that might happen, any top exchange listings, any new utilities, or any new news that the team unveils. We are always waiting for the team to make some tweets on Tonic, right? But yeah, this is just, to me, this is just a bear trap. Bitcoin was on a great run. Let's take a look. Bitcoin was on a great run, and now it's time for a retrace. That's just normal, right? After a huge move up like this for BTC, obviously you're gonna get a retrace, a correction. The bears are super happy about it, but they're not gonna win. they were winning too much, guys. We're sending them back into hibernation, so I call this a bear trap. This is clearly a bear trap. This is clearly a bear trap, and the bears are gonna be shorting, thinking, yes, finally, we were right, Bitcoin is gonna go lower, everything's gonna go lower. Nope, we're just gonna buy it back up and go right back into the bullish trend, and liquidate all of the bears shorts, right? And this is why you guys see Tonic is on this 8% retrace right now, because the top dog is moving down and making a correction. But as soon as the top dog starts to get bullish again, which it will, because you know short-term corrections happen, and in the long run they don't really matter, right? After it gets bullish again, we'll see Tonic start moving to the upside once again after this correction. You can't just go up continuously and never have corrections along the way. That is normal, right? That is a normal thing. Now let's check out this article that I found from Finance Shots, Tectonic price prediction 2023 all the way up to 2050. The digital currency revolution has showed rapid growth in recent years, and with increasing global demand for cryptos, the digital asset industry is continuing to expand. There are already over 17,000 active crypto projects, with several other projects coming up daily. Tectonic is one of the new digital asset projects that's been making waves in the crypto market, and that is a fact. Tectonic is a decentralized network powered by a cross-chain protocol designed to enable the lending and borrowing of digital assets. Very innovative DeFi technology. Tectonic, what is it? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial, algorithmic money market protocol that allows users to safely and securely lend, borrow, and trade digital assets. The Tectonic network users can deposit digital assets on the platform securely to earn passive income or borrow money to unlock liquidity in their digital assets. The whales will love Tectonic. The rich, wealthy will love Tectonic, guys. I'm telling you. Tectonic aims to establish a DeFi ecosystem where users can access financial services safely and securely. Tectonic has a real number of real use cases and a unique roadmap that makes it a promising token in the long term. Hear what Finance Shot says, guys. A promising token in the long term, not just any old, trash project. No basura projects here, right? Tonic is one of those ones that has extremely great potential for the future. And if we take a look right here at their spreadsheet, Tonic price prediction. So going into the next cycle, which most people expect to be around 2025, we could see Tonic at 1, 2, 3, 4, 506. Very possible. We could see Tonic in 2026 at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 508. And in 2027, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 1, 3. In 2027, guys, it's crazy. And Bitcoin at $1 million in 2030, we could see Tonic at 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 7, 6. And in 2050, we could see Tonic at 52 cents in the future. Imagine that. That would be absolutely insane. A 52-cent Tonic in the year 2050. All of these still great gains, by the way. And you never know how many X's Tonic could absolutely demolish. How many zeros Tonic could absolutely demolish in the future. How many X's it could make in the future, right? So these predictions that we're seeing here for maximum price targets, these ones that we're seeing down here could happen much more sooner than we think. Because remember, crypto is the future. That is just a fact. I see crypto as a disruptive asset class that is going to change the world as we know it. Crypto is the future. It just takes time for mass adoption to take place. And with everyone thinking it's still a scam, all of these things that are happening outside of the space, the situation with Sam Bankman-Fried, the FTX collapse, these are the things that are scaring away people from the space. But we're weeding out all the bad actors so we could develop this space into something that will be great. And it's only a matter of time until billions of people in the world are taking advantage of crypto. So these price targets that we're seeing right here could happen much sooner, right? So yeah, and then the article goes into each price target. Let's take a look at the 2050 price target of 52 cents for Tonic. That's absolutely crazy, right? The Tectonic price may increase exponentially if the Tonic network succeeds in becoming the go-to blockchain platform. If the Tonic team keeps on innovating and achieving its goals, then it will help in increasing the price of the Tonic coin. As per our long-term Tectonic price forecast, the Tectonic price could reach a maximum level of 52 cents by 2050, while the average price can be trading around 37 cents depending on the market performance in 2050. Man, is that imagine if something like that happens, man. A lot of y'all would be like, get y'all Lambos, y'all mansions, going anywhere in the world. The world would be y'all oyster if something like that were to happen, and pretty soon as well, right? But who knows, right? We'll see what happens in the future. Is Tonic a good investment? As per our technical analysis, Tonic is a good investment in the long term if you're planning to hold it for a few years, and that's what you should be doing. BCAing in and diamond handing, holding for the long term. Tonic has great potential to become one of the leading blockchain networks in the future, and its price can grow exponentially, guys. Now obviously they say cryptos are volatile and can change price at any time, so we always suggest doing your maximum level of research and risk management, which is very smart, guys. Always manage your risk, never invest more than you're willing to lose, because nothing in crypto is guaranteed. But with Tonic, like they said, it is a good investment long term. If you're planning to hold for a few years, you will see exponential gains in the future, guys. Took a bit of time on this article, so I'm gonna end this video right here, and then I'll get into other interesting news and events and things that I've noticed in the broader markets as well in the next video, guys. So thank you so much for watching. As always, Tonic fam, I really appreciate it. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, especially if you got any value from this video. And if this is your first time hearing about Tonic, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.